So I just logged into this platform. I noticed I have 1,200 naira here in this platform, right? It's quite some time I entered this platform. So this is a platform whereby you do taxes, right, and get some small changes here and there. So you gather the change and at least get it to something tangible, right, and then withdraw it, right? This is the platform. I'm going to reveal the name of this platform. Just relax. And I'm also going to give you another platform so that you're going to mix two of this platform, right, to at least mix some substantial amount of money. The problem with these platforms, and the reason why I don't like making videos about these platforms, because they pay you very little amount of money, but I've strategized a way that you can make more money with these platforms. I'm going to show you 4 ways that you're going to make money with this particular platform, and you're going to mix the other platform I'm going to show you, right, to like make more money with it, right? So don't skip any part of this video. If you're here for the first time, my name is Victor and I make videos around making money online and business, entrepreneurship and mindset shift, right, for wealth. If you're interested in those kind of topics, please subscribe to the channel. So the name of this platform is called hawkit, right? Hawkit.ng, hawkit.ng, right? The link is going to be under the description of this video, right? Just tap on it. So the first way you earn from this platform is this. You come to this place here that it says N. Let me zoom in. Yeah, you come to this place that it says N. Just tap on N, right? Then you now see these two places. This now the first way, this first one is performing tax, right? Now tax is very simple, right? You're just going to perform social media tax, like liking people's posts, right? Commenting on people's posts, right? Sharing people's posts, right? Those are just basically the things you're going to do, right? So but this method, to be honest with you, is going to pay you like very small amount of money, right? But this is what you can do to like make more money. So what you do is come here and then tap on this get started. You can do this on your phone, right? Now when you come here, you see you're going to be given 2 options, right? This one is post adverts, right, or perform engagement tax. Now this post adverts, what you're going to do is here, you see when you come down here, when you scroll down, you'll notice that it says post advert on Facebook. So what you're supposed to do is to click on this select, and then it's going to now take you to like the information on what you're going to post, right? You're literally going to take things to go post, right? So now first of all, what you're going to do is to add the account. So you just tap on add social media account. I think it's much more better to do this on your mobile phone, right, than on this system, right? But you get the point. Just tap on add account. So what you're going to do is to come here and follow these instructions, right? So you must follow the rules below in order to successfully link your account, you understand, to hawkit. You get what I mean? So number one is that your Facebook account must be your personal account, not a business page, right? So there's a lot of, just follow these instructions. You're going to follow the instructions to do it. Basically all you're going to do is just to help them post maybe a video, right, on your channel or on your Facebook or wheresoever, right, depending on the instructions you follow, and they're literally going to give you 100 naira. Like if you have the time and energy, you can do that, right, so that you can make money. And let me show you how to like do the other engagement ones. So we're going to come here to the second option, which is perform engagement tax, right? This tax now is very simple. Like just follow page, you get, and they're going to pay 3 naira, like 3 naira for goodness sake. So you're just literally going to like, okay, like this Facebook page, follow page. Let me just go down. The reason why I prefer like use your mobile phone to do this, it's literally going to like be much more easier to do. So you can just let's select this particular one, this subscribe on YouTube channel, right? Let's just tap on it. So you're now going to come down here to generate your tax, the next tax. So yeah, so just tap on yes. So we're going to wait for it, right, to generate for us the tax. So you see here it says yes, no YouTube tax at the moment. Okay, so let's just tap on generate your next tax. Let's see, it's going to generate for us a new one. Let's just wait and see. Okay, so now let's go back, because there's no, this is one of my problem with this. You can see literally why I don't like showing this platform, but I will show you ways you can also make money from the platform. Don't be scared, don't be discouraged. So we're simply just going to go back, but let's go back to this end and then just get started again. It's because I'm using system. If not with your phone, it's going to be very easy for you to just go back. So tap on perform engagement tax again. We're going to scroll down to look for other maybe ones that we can get. Possibly let's say this one is platform is okay. Let's look at this WhatsApp, this join WhatsApp group. So let's select and let's see. So you're coming down here again to generate next tax. Yes, so you can see it also gives us the same thing, right? This is literally me showing you like part of the things you're going to like pass through these platforms, but nevertheless let me show you other ways you're also going to like use or utilize to make money from the platform still. So let's just go back to this end, right, and then go back. So now this engagement start, you can there's a lot of if you're lucky, right, you can just keep on searching for it to get, but just rest assured that you're going to get some that are going to pay you just $3, just 3 naira, I say dollars, and 30 naira, right, per tax and all of this. Like just, if you're lucky enough, you're going to literally get. So that's just how you're going to be doing. Just keep on sliding until you get ones that are going to give you that amount and pay you for performing those tasks, right? Another way you can earn money from this platform is by coming to this end and then coming to this resell product and earn big commission, right? Just tap on get started. So you're not coming here, you come here to like get started. These are the products that you're going to resell, right? You're going to literally resell. You see this resell product, you're going to just tap it. I don't know, for some reason I don't know that it's my network or it's just the website. You see, this is my problem with introducing this type of website, because sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, sometimes they have issues. One thing that annoys me with type of platform is that they don't pay much, right? And it's very, very annoying, and that is why I don't like to talk about it on my channel, right? Because it kills the quality of my channel. But there's no problem. I'm also going to show you how to like still make money, because I actually made money from this platform, right? So for some reason, I don't know why it doesn't want to load, but normally you're supposed to just tap on this resell. You're supposed to just tap on this resell, and you're going to be able to like get the link for this particular generate link, right? When you tap on generate link, it's going to generate for you the link, and you're going to see your commissions, because your commission, okay, this is it here. So this is your link for this particular product, but you've not even seen the products. How do you even start to promote it in the first place? So let's just cancel it and go back. Now the other way you're going to make money from this platform, at least this is the most reliable one, right, is by referring people. So let me just show you how you're going to get your referral link. So what you're going to do is to come here to this more, right? When you come here to more, it's going to be very easy when you're doing this on your mobile phone, right? So when you come here to more, you just come here to this view profile, right? So you can see here, this is your referral link, right? This is your referral link here. All you're going to do is just to copy it, right? Now what you're going to do now is to introduce your platform to your friends, right, and family, right? You can introduce it to them. But see, the thing is, the platform can be very frustrating sometimes, but that doesn't mean that it's not possible to make money. Like, I don't know whether it's network or I don't know their problem, but normally you can actually do all these taxes. But presently I'm just showing you like the reality of what you can face, right? So that I'm not going to like go there and then feel bad that I introduce a platform whereby it's just annoying you, right? But now this is the thing, I'm going to show you another platform that is way much more reliable than this other platform, right? But this platform, you're actually going to like pay, I think it's 3,000 to register, or 5,000. Let me just show you. This platform is called OO Daily, right? OO Daily is the name of this platform. You can see there's a lot of tasks that you can do here. All you have to do is just register on the platform. Like, link is also going to be on the description of this video. So there's actually a fee that you have to pay for registration. I think it's 3,000 naira, or is it 5,000? I don't know. But there's just a fee that you're supposed to pay, right, to register and get access to it. So you can see I've done successful jobs commission. You can see I've done over 34. So I know what I'm saying. I've withdrawn money from this platform, right? And this is just my balance, right? I normally use these platforms then, right? But I just decided to just share with you, right? Just share with you, because at least you can gather all this change, this small change, right? And at least to like buy data, you understand, like just buy data with it. So that's just the reason why I decided to just share this. But I don't like sharing this type of platforms on my channel, because it doesn't really give people a lot of value like that. And if not that, things are really very, very tight. I just want to share with people that are really down, right? So you can usually just, if you have spare time, you can come on these platforms and just try to use them. So that is it. That is just the thing about these platforms. I don't like to be unrealistic with you. So that's why you saw everything, right? So let's not discourage you. Like, there are times whereby the platform can actually work properly, right? And if you don't even want to use the platform, you can register on the platform and get links and then share it with other people that might need it, right? So they can use your referral link, and that is where you're going to get like commission. But you have to like invest, I guess. The first one, invest 1,000, right, to be able to like get your link, to be able to like share it to your friends, right, or family or people, that so that you're going to get the commission. And then the other one is, I think it's around 5,000 or 3,000. I can't really recall, it has been long, right? But this is just platforms and they are still live, so you can use it, right? So if you got value from this video, please like the video, subscribe, and share with people that might need it, right? So this is just the reality of all of these platforms. A lot of YouTubers make videos on these platforms and they make it look as if it's platforms whereby you can just go in there and make 10 million. And see, if you want to make money on the internet, just keep on watching my videos, right? I'll teach you how to like make offers, right, and then like render skills. This is an actual feasible way where you make actual money from the internet than to be using all of these platforms. But nevertheless, you can still use these platforms to like get money for data, right? So see you in the next one. Bye.